Ready?
We're live.
Go!
Ready, set, go.
Woo! It worked out well.
There's a lot of snow. You gonna get him, Zan? Oh, there he goes, Xander. Good job, Karch. Let's see Xander go down the slide. You gonna go head first?
Yeah.
Feet first?
That's how you get it down your neck, though. I'm telling you.
He's got the hood up at least.
Well, it's the front.
Can you zip him, man? Please. Ready, set. Here he goes. Whoa! That was a good one. You're moving it?
Well, then they can actually slide into the snow. Right? Okay, try that.
He's just gonna climb in underneath of it.
Okay, come around, Zan. I'll get you.
Yeah. 24 inches. Who's today? January 24? 2016.
It's my cousin Bryn's birthday. Happy birthday, Bryn. Okay. You help Zan?
Are you gonna slide, Zan?
You gotta help me, buddy. There.
Ready. Get set. Go, cowabunga! Nice slide. I like your jump. Karch, you gonna slide? Ready. Get set.
Rich, get two in front of you. Okay, ready? Xander, please get on
Watch
the
out,
moving
Xander. You're in the landing
Ready,
area.
set,
Go! Yay! Karcher!
Xander, I don't think he likes that.
Karcher! What?
He's like,
Okay. Say bye-bye.